currently pursuing my Masters in Business Law from NLSIU Bangalore. खास बात है इन तीनों states ने an alliance with BJP, that is भारतीय जनता पार्टी was formed. ठीक है जो Greetings everyone. On behalf of Pathshala classes, I welcome you all. I, Vaibhavi Batra, a law graduate myself and currently pursuing my Masters in Business Law from NLSIU Bangalore, welcomes you all. आज हमारी online CLAT marathon का second lecture है, okay? And if you are watching this channel for the first time, this video for the first time, आप हमारे channel के page पे जाके lecture 1 देख सकते हैं. So let's start with the video for the day. So today we would be taking up two topics. First is recognition of national party and election news, okay? So let's start with national party status to आप सभी ने news channels, newspapers, news headlines देखी होंगी that which is Aam Aadmi Party has been given a status of national party. It has been promoted from a state party to a national party. So let's कुछ हम आपके बारे में जानते हैं. आप as a party क्या है? आप was founded in the year 2012 in the month of November and it was founded by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and his 10 companions following the anti-corruption movement. अब देखते हैं कि what was anti-corruption movement. So anti-corruption movement is also known as Anna Andolan. It was held in the year 2011 between a time period of April 2011 till December 2011. It was a non-violent protest and the main protester in this was Mr. Anna Hazare. ये protest क्यों थी? ये protest, what was the reason behind this protest? So the reason behind this protest was that they were determined कि India made a legislation should be passed regarding the political corruption, to keep a check on the political corruption which was going on and it's still going on. As a result of this movement, Jan Lokpal Bill 2011 was passed, but it was later withdrawn. Then again, a bill known as Lokpal Bill 2011 was introduced, but it failed to pass. Failed, okay. It didn't pass. And then finally, Lokpal and Lokayukt Act 2013 came into existence, whose basic job, the basic work of this legislation is for the formation of authority which would keep a check on the corruption practices going on in our government bodies and political parties. Okay, yes. Coming back to our topic, the president and leader of AAP is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. The status of national party was taken by ECI. ECI stands for Election Commission of India. हमने last video में भी discuss किया था that abbreviations and full forms by heart हमें memorize करनी है. Okay. Then the decision was taken on 10th April 2023 by Election Commission of India. Now coming to the point, किस basis पर आपको national party status दिया गया? So there were two bases. First is हमने देखा 2014-2019 के लोकसभा poll performance आपकी, and second was 21 state assembly polls since 2014. Okay. Now we should see that AAP is the 6th national party of the कंट्री। ओके, फॉलोइंग कौन कौन सी और नेशनल पार्टीज है ये भी देख लेते हैं। फर्स्ट इज भारतीय जनता पार्टी, देन इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, बहुजन समाज पार्टी, सीपीआई मार्क्सिस्ट, सीपीआई इज कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया, एंड देन इट्स नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी। हम सबको सभी के नाम याद करने हैं एंड उनकी एब्रीविएशंस भी याद होने चाहिए। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जिस दिन स्टेटस मिला आपको एज अ नेशनल पार्टी, इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट टू इट 3 पार्टीज का स्टेटस ले लिया गया था, एंड दीज 3 पार्टीज आर तृणमूल कांग्रेस टीएमसी, नेशनलिस्ट कांग्रेस पार्टी एनसीपी, एंड कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया सीपीआई। Remember, there's a difference between CPIM and CPI. It is not a national party. Not a national party, and this is a national party. ठीक है, ये याद रखिएगा, इसमें जनरली सब कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। ओके, यस, नाउ let's see ki what are the prior conditions or the prior requirements for a party to become a national party of a country. So there are 3 requirements or the 3 prior conditions for a party to become a national party of the country, and they are: first is if it secures 6% of valid votes polled in any 4 or more states at the general elections of the Lok Sabha or the Legislative Assembly, and in addition if it wins 4 seats in the Lok Sabha from any state or states, or second is if it wins 2% of seats in the Lok Sabha at a general election and these candidates are elected from the 3 states, or if it is recognized as a state party in the 4 states. Okay, so these are the conditions required for a party to become a national party. Coming back to the second topic, so let's start with the second topic. Second topic is recent assembly elections held in the northeastern states, and these states are Tripura, Meghalaya and Nagaland. Okay, इन तीनों का रिजल्ट आया था 2 मार्च 2023 को, एंड इन एक खास बात है, इन तीनों स्टेट्स में एन अलायंस विद बीजेपी, दैट इज भारतीय जनता पार्टी, was formed. ठीक है, जो गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म हुई है वो अलायंस में हुई है और किसके साथ हुई है? बीजेपी के साथ हुई है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट स्टेट, दैट इज त्रिपुरा। लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली की मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ है 60 तीनों स्टेट्स में, दैट इज त्रिपुरा, मेघालय एंड नागालैंड, तीनों में the maximum strength of legislative assembly is 60. That is a common point. Second common point मैंने आपको बताया था कि alliance with the BJP है। Okay, out of which 32 seats were gapped by BJP and 13 seats by Tripura. And who became the CM of Tripura? Motha Manik Shah, who took charge as a CM on 8th March. Okay. Second is Meghalaya, 60 seats. Totally मैंने आपको बताया था. But the voting was held only in 59 constituencies because a candidate died, okay, of Democratic United Party, and Conrad Sangma became the chief minister of the state for the second successive time. Okay. Third is Nagaland's National Democratic Progressive Party, 21 seats, and BJP won 12 seats. Together they won 33 seats. Neiphiu Rio took the oath as chief minister for the 5th time. आप देख रहे हैं इनकी popularity, and it's a personal achievement for him as well that he became the chief minister for the 5th time of the same state. Okay. A note is there that Nagaland has become the first state in India to go completely paperless. देख रहे हैं आप कि कितना अपने environment के लिए they are working. चलिए, अब हमने elections के बारे में जान लिया. Now let's talk about chief minister. कौन होता है? Who is a chief minister? So these are some basic details जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए. First is he is the elected head of the government of each state and sometimes union territories. इंडिया में सिर्फ दो यूनियन टेरिटरीज में भी चीफ मिनिस्टर है. वन इज इन द स्टेट ऑफ in the Union Territory of Delhi and other is Puducherry. Okay, so these can come as GK questions. Second is governor appoints and swears in the CM. कौन chief minister को appoint करता है और कौन उसकी oath दिलवाता है? That's the governor of the state. Okay. Eligibility क्या है एक chief minister होने की? First of all, you should be a citizen of India. ये तो सबसे primary requirement है. Second, you should be the member of the state legislature. And third is, you should be of at least 25 years of age or more. Minimum age requirement is 25 years. Okay. Also, if a chief minister is not a member of the state legislature, then after his appointment, within a period of 6 months, उसको अपने आप को elect करवाना होगा. Otherwise, his candidacy will be cancelled and he has to leave the post. Okay. The term of chief minister is not fixed, okay, and he holds his office at the pleasure of the governor. Also, he is eligible for re-election. ये तो आप देख ही चुके हैं. कोई second time बन रहा है, कोई fifth time बन रहा है. Okay. Lastly, we would be dealing with the northeastern states. हम थोड़े जानते हैं because northeastern states are also known as seven sisters. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कौन कौन से स्टेट्स आएंगी? अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, मेघालय, त्रिपुरा, मिजोरम. ये पार्ट मैंने सेपरेटली इसलिए लिया है क्योंकि इससे बहुत क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि पहला तो कौन सी सेवन सिस्टर्स हैं, उनके नाम, उनकी कैपिटल्स, ये आपको बाय हार्ट याद होना चाहिए. एंड देयर इज अ ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर देम, जो जिससे मैंने याद किया था, दैट इज a square m cube NNT. दैट इज इसका फुल फॉर्म, मतलब ये तो मैंने शॉर्ट फॉर्म में किया. a स्क्वायर मतलब दो बार a से स्टेट्स हैं, असम एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश. तीन स्टेट्स m से है, मेघालय, मणिपुर एंड मिजोरम. n से नागालैंड हो गया, t से त्रिपुरा हो गया. तो इट्स जस्ट अ ट्रिक जिससे आप याद कर सकते हैं. ओके, से कैपिटल, स्टेट्स, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लास्टली, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स इन कंट्रीज से अपना बॉर्डर शेयर करती हैं, चाइना, भूटान, म्यांमार, बांग्लादेश एंड नेपाली. भी आपको पता होना चाहिए क्योंकि जीके में कुछ भी आ सकता है. लास्टली, सिक्किम. आपने सिक्किम का नाम तो सुना होगा. सिक्किम इज ऑल्सो स्टेट इन द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, बट इसको सेवन सिस्टर्स में नहीं इंक्लूड किया गया है. क्यों नहीं इंक्लूड किया गया है? बिकॉज सिक्किम इज द only brother of the seven sisters. Who is the only brother of the seven sisters? Sikkim. It has been added in the Indian Constitution via 36th Amendment Act 1975 and ये हमारी country की 22nd state थी. Okay, and it was added under Article 3 of the Indian Constitution. Article 3 of the Indian Constitution deals with the formation of new states and alteration in the area's boundary or names of the existing states. Okay, so that's all for today. हमने करंट न्यूज भी कवर कर ली एंड हमने कुछ जीके के पॉइंटर्स भी कवर कर लिए जो इस टॉपिक के साथ रिलेटेड थे. ऑल्सो इफ यू गाइज वांट टू ऐड ऑन समथिंग, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में हमें कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. वी वुड go through them, हमें ठीक लगेगा, and obviously we'll take your consideration and add them in our upcoming lectures also. Also, who are watching this video for the first time, and if you like us, like the updates, please like us, subscribe us, so that जब भी next video डले हम आप तक notification पहुंचा सकें. And we have made a Telegram group for the same, जिसका स्कैनर यहाँ पे given है. अगर आप इसमें add on होना चाहते हैं, you can. We are providing with the daily legal updates. Okay. Thank you so much. See you next time. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.